Hey everyone, I'm Anita and this is the A1 American YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to follow our series of interesting products and trends in the hospitality and vacation rental industries. Have you been looking for some quick and proven ways to increase your customer loyalty, return rates, and your property revenue? Well, you can start with getting ahead of the curve and staying on top of trends that are changing in the hospitality industry, like the upcoming ban on single-use plastic bottles. We will get into the details of that soon, but in this first video, let's talk about amenities and why choosing the right collection can be so important for your property. Did you know that many hotels and properties are making the switch to bulk dispenser amenities for a variety of reasons? Now, this includes major cost savings and getting more for what you pay for. Bulk dispensers are longer lasting than single-use plastic bottles, creating greater efficiency and reduced workload for your housekeeping staff. Plus, many properties and hotels have embraced the trend in the hospitality industry towards sustainability and waste reduction in their daily operations. Research shows that modern guests prefer to stay at properties that have a sustainability agenda in place, which keeps them happy and more inclined to return. Sustainability legislation has also impacted properties to reduce their plastic waste. For example, starting January 1st, 2023, California Assembly Bill 1162 prohibits hotels with more than 50 rooms from providing guests with small single-use plastic bottles for shampoo, conditioners, lotions, and more. Hotels with less than 50 rooms have until January 2024 to comply. Other states are sure to follow. This is in addition to other local ordinances to preserve the environment by banning plastic bags, plastic straws, and plastic plates and utensils. Because of this, IHG, one of the leading hotel groups, has pledged to be the first to make the switch entirely to sustainable bulk amenities by the end of 2022 so that they can maintain leadership and hospitality trends. Your property should too. A1 American is offering a full line of cost-efficient amenity solutions to help you make your switch. They offer a step-by-step guide on their website, or you can call their toll-free number to speak with an experienced sales representative. Choose from a variety of bulk dispenser types in 1, 2, or 3 chamber units and an assortment of aesthetic finishes, tones, and colors. Pair your dispenser collection with bulk liquids from a list of top trusted and guest preferred brands like Dove, Bodygraphy, Escarite, and more. A1 American is a single source for a hotel's sustainable amenity needs. Operational cost savings is another key factor for hotels considering the switch to bulk amenities. Marriott Hotels reported that making the switch to bulk would eliminate between 2 to 500 million plastic bottles yearly. Another bonus Marriott found in making this switch is that the mini plastic bottles are too small to recycle and require the added expense to remove the residue liquids prior to recycling. However, the bulk liquid bottles can be recycled. That's very important to keep in mind when making this switch. You can always count on A1 American as a trusted single source solution for all your industry needs. We know that your time, your money, and that your property are very important to you, so we continue to provide supply solutions made simple and stay ahead of the curve. From the perfect amenity dispensers paired with the perfect scented bulk liquid, our team at A1 American promises to always keep your experience here with us A1. Click the subscribe button here if you love these tips and want to follow our next video on another clever hack you can use to take your property experience to the next level without breaking the bank. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Enter your email address below to receive a copy of this ebook.